Make a great choice today with the 2016 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, steel wheels, power sunroof, rear window wiper, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, dual climate zones. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.